My name is Rahul Baranwal, and today we will learn about the costs, that is quality of service. Now, what is quality of service? Quality of service is the use of the mechanism or technologies that work on a network to control traffic and ensure the performance of the critical applications with the limited network capacities. Okay, so it has four aspects. First one is policing, second one is shaping, third one is bandwidth reservation, and fourth one is LLQ, that is low latency queuing. Yeah, we will learn one by one. So here today we will learn about the policing. Okay, we are taking one scenario where we will use the policing. Suppose I have the link of 5 Mbps between R1 and R2. Okay, and we want to use 2 Mbps applications, 2 Mbps for FTP applications, right? If it uses more than 2 Mbps, then it should get dropped. Okay, so how will we do that? Let me put it here the scenario between R1 and R2. We have 5 Mbps link. We want to use we want to use 2 Mbps for FTP application. If it uses more than that, traffic should be dropped. Between R1 and 2, we have 5 Mbps link. We want to use 2 Mbps for FTP applications. If it uses more than that, traffic should be dropped, right? So how we will accomplish that? First, I will have to create the access list, that is the extended one, 3101 permit. Our protocol will be TCP and source will be any, destination will be any, and our FTP port number, that is 20 and 21. Destination will be any and port will be 21. Okay, to specify the traffic, we'll have to create the class map here. You can give any name. I'm just giving as per the application. FTP, inside that we'll have to call our access list, match access group, that is 101. Then to specify the action, we'll have to create here policy map. You can give any name. I'm just giving as per our application. Inside that we'll have to call our class map, that is cm hyphen ftp. After that we'll have to restrict the bandwidth, that is police command, and here we will put the bandwidth in bit per second. So in 1 Mbps there will be 10 to the power 6 bit per second. So we will put 2 and 6 times 0. Yeah. After that we will call this policy map inside the interface. Our R1 interface is G1 by 0. Command will be service policy. Cost will always be in the output direction. So here output and the our policy map that we have created, right? So here we will go on the GNS3. First we will restart both the router. Actually we are using the IP 192.1.12.1 at R1 end and 192.1.12.2 at R2 end. So let me take the console. G1 by 0, IP address 192.1. dot 12.1 255 255 255 dot 0. No shutdown. And in R2, interface G 2 by 0, IP address 192.1.12.2 255 255 255.0. No shutdown. Now R1 IP should be pingable from R2. Yeah, that is pingable. Now we'll have to configure the pulsing part that I have used here. Yeah, okay. Let me apply once again. Access list 101, permit, DHCP, source will be any, destination will be any. And there will be, okay, there will be match only packets on a given port number. There will be 20 and 21. Yeah, now it has taken. So let me show you the configuration section, class map. Now it has taken, and inside policy map, policy that it is okay. We can see the output here. So policy map interface G 1 by 0. So here match all, we have restricted the bandwidth of the 2 Mbps. And one more thing here, you can see match all, right? Let me show you in the class map. If we don't put the match all or match any keyword, then by default it takes match all, right? Now thanks for watching. In next lecture we will cover the shaping part. Bye.